có cái gái. Có 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 Quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Your mother quack, quack. You don't like me, your mother quack. How are you going with your mother quack? How are you scratch up this thing in Georgia? How are you going with your mother quack? Quack, quack. How are you mama quack? You are going with your mama quack. Man, I don't be no your mama quack. Man, I don't put a your mama quack. Your mama have a elevator quack. Hey, Gally and a rose quack. What can you offer me a daughter? People come on and them wrote you. See this prayer for prayer out. And you let them go, you have your own name out. Call it Duppy. Oh, what is naughty? I call it Duppy. Oh, that is naughty. I call it Duppy. What is naughty? You lick out them cocoa. Them on my ass. Lick out them cocoa. Them on my ass. The roast, the nasty. Lick out them on my ass. Or the cocoa. Girl, she has a gun, a big one, the Georgia. Yo, big one, the Georgia. That banana in a clean, she has got up there, Georgia. Like when your name scotch cocoa. Oh, banana's got up like in your name scotch cocoa. Man, situation is real, dog. And it's real, dog. And I was still, dog. Woof, 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 woof. And I was still, dog. Like a pit bull, dog. You wanna bite me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. You wanna bite me? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pit bull, dog. Wanna bite me? Whoa, whoa. Ooh. Tell I know. Mommy Holy Sweet as the Holy Spirit got me coming out. Hallelujah. Some that are gonna like if you hush them out. Tell the big old girl hush them out. Take what the mic and hush her out. Hush her out. You don't see me get me makeup down on me and say, like a rough dog, man, like a rough dog. Yo, it's amazing. Oh, God is blessing, spreading like a love. I want things to be easy. I just make your heart happy easy. I know that that's crazy. I want to go to me easy. Why? I made a walk because so come on, you said when I don't bring head. I don't give that Mrs. C instead. Something like come but we done full of med. Oh, so come on, you said dumpling head. Pine and cat can go in a bed. Wow, to the 100. But you have a fuck piece of pig. Them a worry about your life, never that girl. Money every day in a pocket that you have, girl. Them a sit down, them a chat, girl. Pass them out a road when they corner. They won't go good fishing out there, can people business and for them wanna spoil. Rough like a dog, you have to buy them. Rough. Puppy, buy them. But like a rough dog, like a bad, like a pit bull dog. Bite them like a pit bull dog, bite them. I would have come find them. But I'm like a pit bull dog, you be bite them. Move what I man right to the wall. Make the little robin stand on the side. Now me dogs, you can down a man to do. I love you too. God damn it. I can't find my way without you, Lord. Like a pretty puss. What is a style if you ever sit in the book? When me paint up this a sitting them talk about me stuff. But me tell them say I the good look. Oi, Duppy no frighten me. Oi, Duppy don't frighten me. Oi. All the time the Duppy come frighten me. But me frighten the Duppy instead. The Duppy run out of your auntie. Oh, the Duppy, oh. Yes. Say your eyes to me, us. Oh, pretty princess. Them say you want a mucho grande coole. Some mucho grande chole. Yo, talk about the diamonds, talk about the golds, man. Blessing arriving our souls, man. Oh. Now we're moving from upstairs to downstairs to the door, man. Yeah, shit ain't easy in the street, man. But I love you, Lord. You're always there for me, never let me down. When the hater they come, they wanna play me like a clown. But Lord, you're the only one see what's really going down. I don't know how to do this contour shit. It is contour mess, trust me. The mess of the contour. And a girl don't know how to wear makeup. At least me don't know if me wake up, me don't act like me too. Cause me born good looking long time in the book. Oh God, make me feel thankful. You see people, many people were scared and stand up. Some cry, no tears can burst. So me thankful for every little thing, Lord. Me have a eye, me have a nose. I bet the devil them want come pose up. Upon me them want come show. The devil them want come pose up. I don't need them want to come show. I found my queen. I love it. And blue baby. I found my and blueberry. When I can get fly about the damn place, every time I come run me off like, what's wrong with that man, Joe? Move yourself, man. I'm right behind there, they're back up, so many of them know, motherfucker. I found my and blueberry the monster still yeah. Oh, I'm hungry like shit, man. I gotta find some food here. My dogs and dinner. I'm gonna die. Hallelujah. Boy, I mash up my hand star. Tell them my dogs, you know. Love them, man. I say, phone love always real, you know, there. I love real like that. I will try them off his steal like that. Some of them dirty heart, how them feel like that. Squidgy in a night, them a tip 2-1 shot. We don't worry about them at all. I know sometimes I can't so far. Whoa, I never planned for that. I was not planning for that. I wasn't planning for such wide problem. My hand get one, I'm not gonna wipe it off, so I'm gonna have to leave this on. I don't have the time to go wipe off but I can start all over again. Whatever I turn into that, I go here. One little mistake could cost you something that you wasn't planning to do, but that's just the way you have to do. The other one is still wider than the other one. So you get it from the top, from the bottom, more to the top. Up. That's the thing about drawing this shit on my face sometimes. Sometimes you make one little mistake and it just end up in a big hole of something that you was planning to do. So you just have to work with whatever you come out to be that day. For me, I'm not a makeup artist or anything, so but I like to put this stuff on and do my comedy and stuff. It's funny. So I like to do that. You know what I mean? When we finish and turn this thing off, my face won't be like, right now it's like keep cool, because when it's so hot like this, you can't put on makeup in the heat. If you have the AC on, there's a way you're gonna sweat while you put on the makeup. I'm making it into a worse mess than what you really need, you know what I mean? It's like, it's already messy, so you have to just go along with it. What's missing from that one to this one? Same length, same. Underneath is done, underneath this is not done. So to go ahead and get underneath there done with. Alright, underneath is done. Alright. The new one still look wider, but I'm not gonna spend hours in this, trust me. And mess up my eyebrows and mess up in the shape right. I don't need to do all of this, but it's so messed up right now. Sometimes people say, are you a dry queen or something? It's like, yup. It's like, hell yeah, I am. What's up? I don't see no problem for my dry queen, so what's up? People do what they want to do with their life. Alright, put that on there. So next I'm gonna go in. colors or one color or something. Some blue over there. There. Blue right there. Got me some blue. I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. Get that in now. I'm gonna move on to mascara. I do this already, so I got to use some mascara. So I don't use fake lash. So I'm going with my mascara. I glue them on sometime, but not all the time. I cannot. Some mascara. And bring out even the bottom ones. I put it out like that because I don't want to go in my eye. And so my lashes go all the way back, so the one eye. I know all this makeup and stuff just here. Scissors, lipsticks. I'm gonna try to do the other eyes, mascara. bottom ones because the bottom one is long also. They're long. My eyelash are naturally long, but when I mess like put glue on lash on them and stuff, I take it out. I don't do the real hard glue like what the Chinese do, but I usually glue them on myself sometimes. But it still take out my lash, so I naturally have long lash, so I'm like not putting anything on my lash right now but I like a mascara, you know. Okay, now I'm gonna dive in. A little bit of pink from here. I always use my finger and put on this expensive Macy's. It's not cheap, baby. Just a little, give yourself a little color on the side. Just a little nish-nash. Little nish-nash here and there. Then I'm gonna go in, back again. The white stuff I saw. White I saw some more. Oh yeah, baby. There you are, sweetie. Don't know. Oh, again, me that go to. I remember. I don't know. Leave my earrings. Excuse me. Mercy. Why? Time for go eat now, man. I work from morning, get up. Yesterday I work late all time, busy yesterday too. So yesterday I go get eat the potato and something. I'm going to make a next. It took me that time, so I take out into the fridge. I have one apple, one kale left. I'm going to cut up that now. I'm going to eat myself food can warm over. I want some egg in my body. I want some egg. So I'm going to do the egg and then I go back later. But what am I going to cook for dinner? I must have some sardine and some couscous out there. I'm not going to go too hot. I know, look at it. You're hungry, I'm gonna make you look so. I know. I'm changing again. Oh, son of a gun. You know, Satan. You know, Satan wicked. Satan really wicked enough. I call it tattoo lipstick. No longer we have it and I use it. No, long have it and I use a tattoo lipstick. You put it on and it dry. You rip it off. And then that's it. You work better than the first time I tried it. I tried it before and it never even worked. And throw it on there. I'm just gonna make fun of it. It's good. Not too bad. And your lip. You could just wear lip gloss after that. I love you. Mwah. I love you. Mwah. I love you. Mwah. 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 I love you. I love you. I really, really love you. I love you. I love you. Mwah.